Hello everyone, we are discussing about general science physics and today we will study about physical quantity. What is physical quantity? This topic is covered from unit and measurements. So, what is physical quantity? That quantities which can be measured by an instrument and which describes the laws of physical world is called physical quantity. That quantity which can be measured by an instrument and which describes the laws of physical world, the law given by the world. So this quantity is called physical quantity. Physical quantity pq equals to n into u, where n equals to numerical value or number of times of unit. So n equals to numerical value and u equals to unit. There are three types of physical quantity. First one, fundamental physical quantity. Second is derived physical quantity. And third is supplementary physical quantity. They have three types. First is fundamental PQ. Fundamental means which do not depend on any other physical quantity. That is fundamental physical quantity. And derived physical quantity. Second, derived means which are made up of fundamental PQ. That is derived. And supplementary physical quantity, this one is third one. So supplementary is, it's commonly say it has no dimension. That is supplementary physical quantity. So now we will briefly discussing about these three types. So first is fundamental physical quantity. These are seven. So fundamental physical quantity which do not depend on any other physical quantity. Which do not depend any other physical quantity is called fundamental physical quantity. These are seven. These are seven types: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. So we are studying these seven: length, mass, time, fourth, temperature, fifth, electric current, sixth, luminous intensity, and seventh, amount of substance. These seven are fundamental physical quantity. Its SI unit for length is meter. For length is meter. For mass, kilogram. For mass, kilogram. For time, second. These are SI unit. For temperature, Kelvin. For electric current, ampere. For luminous intensity is candela. For amount of substance is mole. And its symbols are, for meter, symbol is M, small m, kilogram kg, second S, Kelvin K, ampere A, and candela CD. And for amount of substance is MOL, mole. These seven physical quantities are fundamental. Next type is derived physical quantity. So derived physical quantity, that quantity which are made up of fundamental physical quantity. derived physical quantity which are made up of fundamental physical quantity. Is called derived physical quantity. So for example, let us take volume. Volume is SI unit is meter cube, and meter cube is made up of meter into meter into meter. So meter square, that is area can be, and length, area into length. So meter square into meter is made up of meter cube. So meter is a fundamental quantity. We can take another example for speed. Speed equals to distance by time. So distance, that is meter per second. Distance by time equals to meter per second, and meter per second made up of distance is, we can say, length, and time is time. So meter per second, that is meter is fundamental, and time is also fundamental quantity. So this one is another example for derived physical quantity. Next is force. Force SI unit is Newton, and Newton is kg meter per second square. So kg, meter and second, these three are fundamental physical quantity made up of fundamental PQ. Next we can say energy. Energy, and its SI unit is joule, but joule is made up of kg meter square per second square, its SI unit, and it is made up of fundamental PQ. Kg, meter and second, these three are fundamental PQ. So these are derived physical quantity. Next is supplementary physical quantity. So supplementary physical quantity, it's common, it has no dimension. It has no dimension, and there are two types. First is angle or plane angle. Angle or plane angle. Angle, the angle between two plane or line which are intersect each other. Angle, that is theta, is denoted by theta, and this is r radius, and these are arc. So theta equals to arc by radius. Theta equals to arc by radius, and its SI unit is radian, but it has no dimensional formula. That is, it is dimensionless quantity. It has no dimension, so it is dimensionless quantity. So this one is first type of supplementary physical quantity. Next, second one is solid angle, that is angle in 3D. For example, cone. Cone makes an angle in 3D. For example, cone, we also figure draw the cone, and this one is radius of cone, and this are angle. This is angle. So this angle is 3D, and theta equals to dA by r square, where dA equals to a small area. Its unit is steradian. And it has also no dimensional formula. So it is a dimensionless quantity. So we are today discussed about physical quantity. So for more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.